I'm Shruti Kaushik. I completed my MBA from Symbiosis Pune, and now it's been almost a month with HDFC Life. So right from the start, day one, we've been interacting with a lot of leadership people and people from the field. So there are different learnings and different experiences that we have shared with them, and they have shared their key insights from the industry, from their tenure with HDFC Life. So it has been a very exciting journey so far. There have been some of very wonderful learnings that I would like to share that I have gotten from senior management. So like we interacted with the head of marketing, Sanjay Tripathi, who told us that in the initial phase of your career, you should have a differentiator attached to yourself. You should have a brand value that differentiates you from your peers. So that was one important tip that I felt is very important, especially in the field of marketing, be it any industry. Then we met head of strategy, Subrat Mahanti. He told us that insurance industry is a very futuristic industry. It has a lot of opportunities to offer, but what you have to do is that road to opportunity. You have to pave for yourself, and you can do that by paving it with gold. That is the kind of attractiveness this has to offer, but nobody can do it other than you. So this is one thing that is very useful, especially in this sector. Then we interacted with head of international business, Samir Yogeshwar. He told us that there are a lot of things that will come your way which you might feel that you are not made out for. You are not cut out being a management trainee to do this. But embrace every opportunity that comes your way. You never know how it's going to help you in the future. How that task might come as a saver for you in life, you never know. So embrace everything that comes your way and be very mellowed down and be very with all humility, accept whatever your career has to offer, and you can go places in life with that attitude. So it has been a very exciting journey so far. Hope for the same in future also. We are starting in another week in the head office now, and I hope for a very exciting career and a lot of learnings in the future. Thank you.